Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the serving size of the water in order to keep track of your water intake on a daily basis on the BodyFast intermittent fasting application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this Me button down below, which is the second option. And after that, click on the Progress button at the top on the left side. And then tap on the, or go to the Water section, which is the second subsection within this Progress category, and click on the More button in the upper right corner of this box. And here you can see the serving size option below the daily goal section, so tap on it. As you can see, it's set to 0.3 liters, so 3 deciliters, but you can also change it ranging from 1 deciliters to 1 liter. So set your serving size, and when you have tapped on it, click on the OK button to change this new serving size or measurement. So here you will be able to find it below this glass icon. So anytime you, or each time you drink this amount of water, you can indicate it by tapping on the plus button, and thereby being one step closer to your daily goal. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.